How to unlink or remove Facebook from Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink or remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Instagram app itself, let's first visit the App Store right here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and just type in the search bar Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now if it says open right here, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date. However, if that says update, just tap on that because that means that your Instagram app is currently outdated. So if you tap on updated, it will ensure that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your Instagram app is up to date, let's just head on and open the app right here. And if you are from your home page or from any other page, you should be at your profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. After that, let's just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. And let's click on settings. You can scroll down a bit and you should see this section right here that says Meta, and you should click on this option that says Account Center. So this will be the control settings for connected experiences across Instagram, the Facebook app and Messenger, including story and post sharing and logging in. So you can basically see all the linked accounts such as your Facebook and Messenger. So just click on Account Center right here. And what we're going to do is to click on this accounts option under the account settings. Click on that. And immediately you will see the option to remove your Facebook account. So for example, this is my Facebook account that is linked to this Instagram. So just click on this remove button right here. And Meta will confirm if you want to really remove this account from your account centers. Just click on continue. And click on remove again. Now your Facebook is removed from your Instagram account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.